Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the frame on a soft surface and confirming the replacement lens matches left or right. This prevents scratches and misalignment. Use a flat plastic pry tool at the inner notch near the hinge, then push outward while stabilizing the frame with your free hand. You want steady, even pressure. Too fast risks snapping the tab. Once the lens edge clears the frame, slide your fingernail or tool along the rim to disengage the rest. Make sure to keep the lens angled slightly toward you. Once the old lens is free, clean the frame channel and replacement lens with an alcohol wipe to remove oils that prevent seating. Align the lens by engaging the top retention tab first. This sets the orientation and prevents stress on edges. Then, progressively press the outer edge into the rim using fingertip pressure, working from center to sides so the seal is uniform. Make sure you don't force one corner. Instead, ease the lens into place while checking alignment with the nose bridge. To finish, press around the entire lens perimeter until you hear a consistent soft click and see no visible gaps. Move the temples to confirm normal hinge action. If the lens resists, warm the frame briefly with your hands or a low heat source for 5 to 10 seconds to increase flexibility. Then try again. If alignment is off, carefully remove and repeat the seating steps rather than forcing it. If scratches or cracks appear, stop and replace the damaged components to avoid eye safety issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.